Chocolate brownie microwave cake recipe.
Here are the ingredients.
1 glass of sugar, 1 glass of oil, 1 glass of milk,
1 glass of oil,
a pack of cacao,
1 pack of vanilla, a pack of baking powder, 1 egg. First, we crack the egg into the bowl and whisk the egg. Second, we pour a glass of milk into the bowl and whisk it again. Third, add a glass of sugar into the bowl.
Next,
We pour a glass of oil into the bowl and keep whisking the mixture. Then add a peck of or a tablespoon of baking powder and whisk the mixture.
Add a peck or a tablespoon of vanilla into the mixture.
After that, add a peck or 2 tablespoons of cacao into the mixture and keep whisking.
and add a glass of flour into the mixture and mix it.
Finally, pour the mixture into glass baking tray.
Now set the microwave to 10 minutes with high heat.
After 10 minutes, take out the cake from microwave and slice it.
Serve it hot, bon appetit.